Toronto, the T-Dot, the Six as some call it. A city full of culture and diversity. It's my city, my town, my birthplace. This is a video for those that are not familiar with Toronto. You may visit Toronto and see some strange and unusual names that you may not know how to pronounce, or you think you know how to pronounce, but you're pronouncing it wrong. First of all, the term Greater Toronto Area, the GTA as we all call it, referring to the cities surrounding Toronto. You may see one called, looks like Mississippi, but it's pronounced Mississauga, not Mississauga, Mississauga. Saga, that's what we call it for short. Mississauga. Mississauga. There's no U after the G. I don't know where people get Mississauga from. Next we have this township within, or county within Toronto, called, I know, it looks like Etobicoke or Etobicoke, whatever you want to call it. However, it's pronounced Etobicoke, just Etobicoke. The K is silent. Etobicoke. Why would they even spell it like that and confuse people? Another silent one. Pronounce that. If somebody was giving you directions to go to Strawn, you would go right past this name. No, what street is that? No, that's Strachan. No, we want Strawn. Another silent one. If you started to pronounce it with the G, you done wrong. It's Vaughan. It's not Vaughan. It's Vaughan. Vaughan. Why didn't they just say V-A-W-N? If anybody pronounced it Vaughan, exactly how it looks, it sounds like you're German and you're saying wagon. Vaughan. Doesn't it? Vaughan. 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 Maybe that's how I'll start pronouncing it when I see Vaughan. Vaughan. Like I'm German. Vaughan. Vaughan.